300 repetitions bodyweight only. Can you make it?
This workout is performed in a kind of superset fashion, which means that you will do 2 exercises and without any rest. So the first set that you will do is 10 pull-ups and then immediately followed by 15 push-ups. And once you have finished that, you will take no rest, or at least as little rest as possible, and then you will repeat it until you have finished 4 sets. And this is what you will do for each of these exercises. If you feel like you cannot perform another repetition with proper form, or perhaps if you cannot breathe properly anymore, then you can take a very short amount of rest. And also please note that this routine is for those who are more advanced, so it definitely is not suited for beginners, as you can see, because a lot of people cannot even do 10 pull-ups. Which is not that bad, of course, because pull-ups are about the most difficult exercises that you can find. Anyways, when you have finished one of these supersets, then you can take a short break, I would say of about 2 minutes, and then you can perform the next superset. And in this case, this is the squat and hyperextension, and the hyperextension is performed on the floor. In the end of this video, I will give you a link in which you can find more bodyweight lower back exercises, just in case you don't like these two. Anyway, try to perform 15 repetitions of the squat and 15 hyperextensions after that. And once you have finished that, you can perform the next superset, which involves doing chin-ups, 10 to be precise, and also dips. And as you can see, the exercises in this routine will cover every muscle in your body, or at least every main muscle group. And I don't really think that it is a good idea to also add something for the shoulders and abs, because you already will indirectly build those 2 muscle groups. So feel free to add some more repetitions, but I think that when you have finished 4 sets of each of these supersets, you will be happy to finish the routine without any shoulder or abdominal exercises.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch my featured videos, subscribe for more, and I will see you next time.